single time
Whoa, that is giant.
for Writer's Workshop. You're right, okay? So what you guys have in front of you right now is your Writer's Workshop folder. Everybody has the same thing, okay?
Okay.
And so you're going to need to take care of this, all right? Right now you don't really need to open it because it's the exact same thing that everybody has and there's nothing in there of really any interest. So just keep that closed because I need your eyes on me, okay? Branson, can you close your folder for me too? And I need everybody to say crisscross applesauce. Colt, you guys say crisscross applesauce so we have plenty of room. So we talked about last week how Writer's Workshop's going to work, okay? And we talked how it's always going to start with a mini lesson, right? And during mini lesson, what do you guys do? Listen. Okay? And you listen with what? Eyes and ears, okay? Then you guys are going to try it out. What happens when you try it out? You go back and write, okay? I'll turn on some music and you'll write at your table. I'll turn on the timer and we'll work for a certain amount of time. And each day that we write, we'll start writing longer and longer. During that time, are you allowed to talk to your neighbors? No. You have to write the whole time, okay? And then at the end, then we'll share our works with our writing partner. Today, Mrs. Plowman will probably just share somebody's with the whole class, okay, on the biggest screen. Okay, so we know that when we write, the first thing we have to have is an idea, okay? So all you have to do to write is have an idea. This, I'm going to print, this is my writing journal, okay? And you guys will get a blank page.
I have an idea.
Okay, shh, can you hold on a minute? So you guys will all get a blank page and you'll have to write your story on there. Right now, you guys don't have the ability to write a lot of sentences and a lot of words, but you do have the ability to be writers. And the way that you can be writers is to write your story with pictures. And our pictures can tell a story, okay? So I like to think about different things that happen to me and write about those. Sometimes it's just kind of my favorite thing to do. And so I'm going to just start with black. We'll pretend like this is my pencil because I want you guys to be able to see it. So I'm going to write a story. I have an idea of a story. And this is my story when I met my best friend, Tara, okay? And I met her when I was in kindergarten. And we met outside at recess on the teeter-totters. Now, we weren't playing on the teeter-totters because teeter-totters are always a little crazy and nobody really liked to play on them. But what we were doing is we were smashing sweat bees. And so I was having a great time just smashing sweat bees, okay? And they were just these little tiny bees.
Yeah, I know them.
And they were all over the place. And they loved the teeter-totters because the teeter-totters were all these bright colors, okay? And so my friend Tara showed up. She wasn't my friend yet. This is when I met her. And she said to me, "What are you doing?" And I said, "I'm smashing sweat bees on the teeter-totters. It's lots of fun. You want to see how many sweat bees we can smash?" And so we spent our entire recess just smashing sweat bees on the teeter-totters. And guess what? We became best friends. And we were friends forever, all the way from kindergarten through high school. But this is my story, okay? Now, when you guys write a story, the first thing you have to have is an idea. It can be any idea in the world. It can be pretend, Cole, or it could be real. And you just got back from vacation, so you have lots of stories, I'm sure. So, I'm going to give you guys just a minute to think of an idea. Okay, so don't talk, just close your, if you need to close your eyes and think of an idea, think of an idea. Okay, shh, don't, you just wait because other people need some time, okay? When you have an idea, just put your thumb out. Okay? And remember, you can write about anything. So, what I'm going to do, for those of you who have an idea, you're going to get a piece of paper. And you're going to write your story on your piece of paper. You're going to write the whole time. You're not going to talk, and you're not going to get up out of your seat, but you're going to write the whole time. Today we're going to set the timer for just 5 minutes, so it's not a very long time to write. But I want you to write the whole time, like mine. Am I done with my story now?
No.
Would this be very good if I stopped here? No. My people are floating in the air. They don't have any clothes on. I did 2 bees. You don't even know what color the teeter-totter is. There's no grass. There's no sky. I could keep working on this for the next 7 days and still not be done, probably. So with your stories, make sure you add lots of details to it. When you have a white piece of paper, please take your folder and your white piece of paper back to your, you don't have to write your name on it because we're going to keep it in your journal.